Growing indoor plants is a great way to bring nature inside your home. But sometimes the natural flow of light isn't enough, and the last thing you want is your green friends to turn brown. That's where artificial lights can help. Common household light globes usually emit one colour more than the others, and depending on the type, at a lower intensity. So whilst plants may get some benefits from these light globes at home, it's best to invest in ones designed for plants. Grow lights are fun to experiment with, and they give you more options to growing plants indoors, including greenhouses and tents. There are lots of grow light products available now, with differences in colour, intensity and functions. I'll go through the key factors in choosing the right lights for your plants. It's easy to think that if you leave your lights on 24/7, this will maximise growth, which sounds good, but actually no, plants need sleep too. Night or darkness is important as plants have a sort of circadian rhythm. They need to stop all that busy work of photosynthesising and process all that energy. Some lights come with timers, or you can pick up a timer that plugs into your PowerPoint so you don't have to remember every day. Grow lights are not as intense as the sun, so they need to be left on for longer. Think about the day length, about 12 to 14 hours of light. And of course, the plant type matters. Indoor foliage plants need less than outdoor plants, especially flowers and fruit. Changing the amount of light can trigger some plants to flower. For example, begonias and African violets are likely to bloom when there's a longer day or light period than night period. The colour or composition is important. The visible light spectrum ranges from purple to red. Think of a rainbow. Plants have evolved to mostly absorb red and blue light, not so much green, which is reflected. And that's why plants appear green to us. Changes in colour composition, like the ratio of red to blue light, inform the plant of seasonal changes, which way and how much to grow, when to flower, and more. Red light promotes flowering, whereas blue light is great for stimulating the growth and development of shoots and leaves. Sunlight has a full spectrum of colours, so plants can get everything they need. White lights are full spectrum too, and can be used for any plant at any stage of their life. It's probably the easiest choice. It's best to leave a decent gap between the light source and the leaves to avoid burning the foliage. Check the instructions that come with your light, as this is dependent on the intensity, which is measured in lux. The higher it is, the more intense it is. A light meter, like an app on your phone, can help determine the lux of your lights if you are unsure. Low light plants need 200 to 1000 lux. Plants requiring bright indirect light need 1000 to 2000 lux. And those needing very bright indirect light need 2000 to 10,000 lux. Whether natural or artificial, plants grow towards the light. So it's a good idea to rotate your plants occasionally to maintain an even shape. But you can use this to your advantage if you want to grow plants flat against the wall. While sunlight is hard to reproduce, artificial grow lights are the next best thing to keeping your indoor plant haven looking its best.